Hello students, welcome to RKP online classes. I hope you all are doing so well. So I hope you are making your time productive and not wasting your time. So without wasting our time, we are proceeding to our next topic, which is equatorial climate. What is the chapter name? What is the topic name? That is equatorial climate. In this chapter, we'll be going to discuss about the climate which is experienced in the equatorial regions. What are the equatorial regions? What type of climate is experienced by these places? So we are going to discuss about these. So first of all, you know about climate, okay? Climate is the atmospheric conditions of a place for a long period of time, okay? So climate is the atmospheric conditions of a place for a long period of time. And next term is equatorial. What is equatorial? Equatorial regions are those regions which are both sides of equator. Like this line, this is equator, okay? And the area still here and the area still here, mean the upper side also and the down side, okay? Upper and down side. So these is called the equatorial belt, mean they are experiencing a similar type of climate, okay? That's why they have given a name, that is equatorial belt, okay? And this is called as torrid zone also. Clear? So it falls equatorial regions. We can say equatorial belt, it falls in torrid zone. As I have told you that torrid zone, this is torrid zone only. They experience a similar type of climatic conditions. So this is called equatorial belt. It falls in torrid zone. Okay, these both are the same, and it experiences hot and wet climate. How and why? Equatorial belt or the torrid zone experiences hot and wet climate because of the direct sun rays. Okay, because it experiences the direct sun rays. Suppose the sun is in front of our earth. Okay, mean our earth is facing the sun. Then which part is receiving the heat? Which part will be receiving the heat? Mean most part of heat. Then that will be equator. That will be equatorial belt. Okay. So this part will be receiving the highest heat or the maximum heat. That's why here in this belt the climate is hot and wet. Hot and wet climate. And do you know that equatorial belt, the torrid zone, which areas are in the torrid zone, they experience what type of climate? Extreme climate. What type of climate? Extreme. What? Extreme. Extreme means high. Too much. If summers are there, it means it's so hot, it's too hot there. And if winters are there, it means it's so cold there. So this belt experiences an extreme climate. Next is home to the world densest rainforest. Home to the world densest rainforest. What is the dense? What is the meaning of dense? That is thick forest. Okay, it means a large number of forests, a large number of trees, which are which are nearby each other. They are found in these forests. So now what is the meaning of rainforest? Dense mean thick, but why these are known as the rainforest? Like Amazon rainforest. So why they are known as the rainforest? They are the forest. The reason is rainforest. It means in which forest experience heavy rainfall or a large quantity of rain, they will be called the rainforest. And like Congo Basin and Amazon rainforest are known as the main densest rainforest. I hope till this explanation, I hope this is clear to you all. I'm repeating this. It falls in the torrid zone. This is the torrid zone. Okay, and it is known as the equatorial belt also. The areas which are near the equator mean upper side and the downside mean both sides. Okay, so they are on the both sides of equator. They experience hot and wet climate because of the direct sun rays, and these areas experience extreme type of climate, and they are the home to the world densest rainforest like Congo Basin, and next that is the Amazon rainforest. Now next is convectional rainfall. Their characteristic, the main feature about these rainforests is this, that is convectional rainfall. Their convectional rainfall occurs. Okay, what is convectional rainfall? Convectional rainfall is the heaviest rainfall. Okay, that covers a small area, that is confined to a small area only. This type of rainfall is called convectional rainfall. Then this is thunderstorms and 4 o'clock in evening, and it is accompanied by thunderstorm. What is thunderstorm? A storm with cloud roaring and heavy rainfall. Okay, that will be called thunderstorm. And this process used to be done at 4 o'clock in evening. The thunderstorm or the convectional rainfall that occurs at 4 o'clock in the evening. And why convectional rainfall occurs in these regions? Why? Because the rate of evaporation and condensation is here higher than the other parts of our world. Okay, what is evaporation and what is condensation? So evaporation, because of the heat of the sun or because of the heat, the water that gets converted into the vapor and it goes into the environment in the air. Then it rises, and then after going to the in our atmosphere, it gets cooled down. Okay, then that process is called cooling down. The process of cooling down is called condensation. Okay, so because the rate of the evaporation and condensation is higher in these parts than the other parts of our world, that's why convectional rainfall occurs there. The next is, what is the average temperature that is found here? The average temperature found in this equatorial belt is 30 degrees Celsius. How much? 30 degrees Celsius. And we can record a small diurnal temperature range here. What is small diurnal temperature range? It means the difference between the highest temperature and the lowest temperature of that area. Okay, so daily maximum temperature minus minimum daily temperature, then we can find out the diurnal range of the temperature. Then in equatorial belt or in torrid zone, the length of the days and nights, it will be equal. Okay, so equal length of days and equal length of night is experienced in these parts, in these areas. And next is, there is hardly any seasonal variation. ओके, देयर इज हार्डली एनी सीजनल वेरिएशन, मैक्स कोई चांसेस है, बहुत कम चांसेस है सीजन्स के चेंज होने के. सो इट वॉज अबाउट द क्लाइमेट ऑफ आर इक्वेटोरियल बेल्ट और द टॉरड जोन.